Are you dreaming of studying, working, or living in a foreign country? Then English tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE are your golden ticket. But are you ready to pass them with confidence? In this video, we will explore step by step how to prepare yourself for English tests for foreign countries easily, smartly, and effectively. Let's begin your journey towards success. Preparing for an English test is not just about learning words and grammar, it's about building confidence, improving your skills, and understanding how these exams work. Whether it's IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE, the process is similar. And with the right approach, you can achieve your dream score. Let's go through the full preparation guide in simple steps. Number 1. Understand the test format. Before you start studying, know what the test includes. Each test has 4 main parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Spend time understanding how each section works. For example, in IELTS, you listen to recording and answer questions, while in TOEFL, you listen to lectures and conversations. When you know the structure, you can plan better. Visit the official website for your test and read the rules carefully. This will reduce stress and help you feel confident on exam day. Number 2. Build a strong vocabulary. A good vocabulary helps you understand questions, express ideas clearly, and write essays effectively. Learn 10 to 15 new words every day. Use flashcards or apps like Quizlet. Try to learn words in context. For example, instead of memorizing, learn it in a sentence. Exercise has many health benefits. Also focus on synonyms and antonyms. During the test, you may find words replaced with similar meanings. A rich vocabulary will make it easier for you to understand and respond accurately. Number 3. Improve listening skills. Listening is often the trickiest part of many learners. You need to train your ear to understand the different accents, such as British, American, and Australian. You can improve by watching English news, YouTube videos, or podcasts. Try listening to BBC Learning English or TED Talks every day. While listening, write down key points or new words. This will help you stay focused. Also practice with simple listening tests online to get used to the exam's timing and question style. Number 4. Practice reading every day. Reading tests check how well you understand the written English. You must be able to find answers quickly and understand meaning clearly. Reading newspapers, articles, and English blogs daily. Choose topics like science, culture, and education. These are common in tests. Try to practice skimming, reading quickly to get the main idea, and scanning, looking for specific details. You can use old IELTS or TOEFL reading papers to test yourself. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you will become. Number 5. Strengthen your writing skills. Writing tasks often include essays, reports, or letters. To write well, you must practice organizing your ideas. Always start with an introduction, then main points, and finally a conclusion. For example, if the question is, do you think technology is helpful in education? You can start with your opinion, give examples, and end with the summary. Avoid using very complex words. Useless or unless you are sure of their meaning. Simple, correct English is better than complicated mistakes. Write one essay every day and ask someone to check it or compare it with the high scoring examples online. Number 6, master the art of speaking. Speaking tests can make many students nervous. But remember, the examiner is not testing your accent. They are testing how well you communicate. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Practice answering common questions such as, what do you do in your free time? Tell me about your hometown. What are your goals for the future? You can record your voice and listen to your pronunciation. Practice and notice where you can improve. Find a partner or join online speaking groups to gain more confidence. Number 7, practice under real exam conditions. Once you have studied all skills, it's time to test yourself. Set a timer and take a full practice test. It helps you learn how to manage time and stay focused during the actual exam. Avoid distractions. Pretend it's the real test. After finishing, check your mistakes carefully. See where you lost points and work on those weak areas. Doing this several times will make you confident and ready for the real challenge. Focus on grammar and accuracy. Good grammar shows that you understand the structure of English. Spend some time reviewing basic grammar rules, tenses, prepositions, articles, and sentences structures. You can use grammar apps or YouTube lessons to practice daily. But don't get too worried about perfection. Even native speakers make small grammar mistakes. Just make sure your sentences are clear and correct enough to show understanding. Number 9, manage your time effectively. Time management is very important in English exams. Many students know the answers but cannot finish the test on time. Practice answering questions quickly and to move on if you are unsure. You can come back later if time allows. For writing tasks, spend a few minutes planning before you start writing. This helps you organize thoughts and save time in the long run. Number 10, take care of your mind and body. Preparation is not only about study, it's also about your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and take breaks while studying. Stress can affect your performance, so try meditation or sleep breathing exercises to stay calm. On exam day, wake up early, eat a light breakfast, and reach the center on time. Believe in yourself and think positive. Confidence is your best tool. Number 11, use reliable study materials. There are many free and paid resources available online, but always choose trusted ones. Some of the best are Cambridge IELTS books, official TOEFL IBT tests, PTE practice app. Also, YouTube has many teachers who explain each word clearly, but avoid using too many different sources. Pick a few good ones and focus on them. Number 12, stay consistent. Consistency is key to success. Studying for 30 minutes every day is better than studying for 5 hours once a week. Make a daily schedule and stick to it. Keep a notebook to write down your progress, new words, and mistakes. Even small improvements each day will make a big difference over time. Remember, English learning is a journey, not a race. Number 13, learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are part of learning. Even every time you get an answer wrong, find out why. This will help you not to repeat it again. Keep a mistake list and review it weekly. Soon you will notice your confidence growing. Number 14, stay motivated. Preparing for an English test can be challenging, but don't give up. Remind yourself why you are doing it. Maybe for a better job, higher education, or a dream life abroad. Celebrate small wins like improving your score or finishing a chapter. Motivation keeps your energy alive. And that's how you can prepare yourself for English tests for foreign countries, step by step, smartly and confidently. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with daily effort, you will get there. So keep practicing, stay positive, and never lose hope. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning tips. See you in the next video, and good luck on your English test journey.